Okay, alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jesam, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I'm gonna be cooking for y'all. I don't know why I'm excited because like I love cooking. Like anybody that knows me, I'm celebrity chef J, and I had to bring that side of me to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I know I might look very fat and short in this video by the time I watch it, but I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to cook you guys the best meal you have ever seen in your life, because you can't taste it. Only me will taste it because you're not here. I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm about to show you guys how to make it and everything. Okay, yes. Anyways, this video was totally inspired by Stephanie Mocha. I love her so much. Like her YouTube is so interesting. I want mine to be interesting too. And then the dish I'm doing is inspired by my, I don't know how to explain it. Like when I go online on Instagram, the first thing I see is like obviously like Insta blog, but then Kiki foodies actually just comes up. Like her page is what I do because I love food. I'll just be watching and it's so interesting. Oh, you guys should check out. Anyways, my recipe is going to be inspired by her because it's her recipe, but with a little bit of touches because I obviously know how to do it by myself, but I just like her method and everything, and I love her. So yeah, so the food is inspired by her, the video is inspired by Stephanie Mocha. So let's get back into the video. In this video, we have a few things we're gonna do. First of all, I have already gone to the supermarket. I've gotten everything. I have my potatoes. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you guys what I'm making. I am making dun dun dun. Yeah, that's what I'm making. So all I need, I have gotten it. I've gotten my potatoes, gotten my chicken, gotten my stuff, got my spices, I've gotten everything I need. So all I have to do now is prepare it. And you know, you guys are gonna be with me all through to the very end, and I'm gonna give you guys something to keep you watching because I have gist for you. I changed my setup because I think that lighting was too bad. I don't know if this is better. I hope it is. But yeah, so what to do? Yeah, so what, I really forgot what I wanted to say. So yeah, all I have to do now is like the dish is not so difficult to make, but like it's a beautiful dish. When you see it, you'll be like, did that girl cook that? Excuse my manners. Sorry. But like you get, I'm about to make dinner. No, this is actually totally a YouTube video. I don't know why I'm so cool. I wanted to say I was about to make dinner, but I just decided to film so you guys will see what I'm about. Nah, that's not what I normally eat for dinner. Fake life. Yeah. Oh, on the note of fake life, I'm sorry I'm deviating or deviate, whatever it is. On TikTok, if you guys follow me on TikTok, I'm Jesam on TikTok. Yeah. And then on TikTok, I posted a video recently. I don't know if when I post this video, it will still be recent, but then I posted a video recently, and the video got so much attention, like 300k views, and it was a video about me. I always use the word lying because I obviously put hashtag cruise on it anyways. And then in the video, I said I did my these nails for 45k, and I tipped the person 10k, which was obviously a lie, because anybody that does nails will know that. I don't know if their nails more expensive outside Calabar, but in Calabar there is no nail. I don't think there's a nail tech that will do your nails for 54k. So it was obvious, like people that were insulting me were people that did not know. Do you get? So people that used to do nails, do you get? The main people that actually do their nails are good places, where the people that were doing this kind, oh sure, I did my 5 million. So now this is where it gets interesting. There was one girl like this. She now said, I can't remember, she tried insulted my skin. Bro, this skin. I don't know if she's saying me well, but like, does she want me to bleach? Do you guys want me to bleach? Yeah, I cannot bleach, but I like dark skin. I want to be darker. The darker the better. Darker the better. Anyways, yeah, so that was the by the way stuff. Back into the video. So I just have to, you guys are just going to like, I'm going to do like a vlog. I wouldn't be saying much. I'll just be filming myself doing the stuff gradually. Then at some point I'll pitch in to tell you guys something funny because I'm very funny, you know the vibes. So anyways, I'm going to film through the process of making the dish. Then after I'm done with that, then I'll talk to you, then I'll film the rest. But just know, trust me, it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be good. You're gonna start calling me Chef J after this. Yeah. So I think we should get right into the making of the food now. I just want to address something before we go into the video. First of all, this thing you see on my mouth. I was diagnosed with something called fever blisters. Yes, because I'm having malaria. Anyways, so yeah, that is why, and I'm very sorry I cannot clean it for this video. I don't know if it's very disgusting, but I doubt it is and uncomfortable. I know somebody will look at me like, what is that on that girl's face? So that is what it is. It's a fever blister, and I put in a cream so that it will heal. Blah 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 blah. You're gonna see it in the video either way. So goodbye. Back into the video. Perfectly washed. Hey, I just say washed. Perfectly washed chicken. Chicken's on fire. Yeah, I put the chicken on fire. So now while it's boiling, yeah, because I want to boil it before, I want to steam it rather. I want to steam it before frying it because I didn't marinate it and put it inside the freezer for fridge for 24 hours. I know you guys are disappointed. What kind of celebrity chef forget? But I'm sorry. We all make mistakes. Anyways, now as it's steaming, I want to like peel the potatoes, cut it off. I say cut it, yeah, chop it. Like you get now, prepare the things I need. Yeah, so that's what I want to do now.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I want to wash this pot. I have another pan, like this frying pan to use, but I want to use this one to fry the chicken because I want to also use the pot to cook, and I want to, you understand? Yeah, anyways, I'm sure using my pot to fry. Don't come for me. This stock would have been useful, but I don't know. I have to go, sorry. Normally I'm meant to use a tissue and towel, but I'm just gonna let the heat dry it up. Then fry the chicken. Yeah, so okay, quickly let me bring out the pepper and stuff I want to use. Oh, some good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put it off. Then turn in the oil.
A few inches later.
No. 1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We have to use oil. About the chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the fire, yeah, and then this is the potato I cut and washed. Then I'm gonna put it all inside. Ooh, that's scary. What is she doing? And I'm gonna add some water. Yeah, added water. I'm meant to give it a stir, but I can't use the spatula, so I'm going to borrow the effa stick that I wanted to use to chop the veggies, and I'll be right back. I'm kind of shaking for the reason just now. This is nope. I'm gonna finish cutting my vegetables. Kaka. The heat is too low. I use medium heat. Let me just increase it a little. Yeah, so till it's done boiling. I forgot I meant to add salt into this. Ooh, it's already boiling. So I'm gonna add some salt so that in case you guys are like doing it how I do it, how the celebrity chef does it. Yeah, so I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. Okay, I hope that's not too much. Okay, I think that's enough because I don't really like salt. So yeah, so sprinkling, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a stir. Did I just say stir? little bit of stir. Allow it to boil. Yeah, I'm not still done with my vegetables. I'll still show you guys. When I'm done with my veggies, I'm gonna be back with the rest of the, you know the vibe. Bye. Yeah. Fry and season so that I can like put it inside the boiling soup so that it could be complete. You know the vibe. Okay. Yeah. Don't try this at home. Or try it, whatever. Yeah, so no. I have to do shh. I meant to use like corn flour or corn starch to make it thicker, but the sauce is becoming thick already, so I'm using a little bit. It's like custard. Imagine it's custard and I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna add water. I don't think this thing needs that corn flour. It's very pointless, but to fulfill all righteousness. Okay, I put it. To be very thick though. This it. It won't be on one pot. Oh my god! Let me dish this. Wait, I have to do this off camera, sorry. Tiny food, if you see my size. Me, I dey chop. That is why I dish as much as possible, because I'm gonna dive in and I'm gonna eat. I don't know if this is looking like it's giving, but it is giving. I've already taken one spoon and it is giving. So I'm going to eat. And after eating, I'm going to give you guys the full review of the dish. You know the vibe.
Flashback. Flashback.
Obviously didn't finish everything because I'm not a monster. So anybody that wants it, just put on their Bluetooth and try and receive it. Like, if, as in, like, you know, forget that it's me that cooked this food. It's actually so nice. Like, I had to eat. Like, if you see my stomach, I cannot show you. Stay against the nudity. But like, ouch. The food is very nice. Like, this is why you should be calling me Chef J. I don't know if it's chef or chef or chef or chef. I don't know, whatever it is. That's why you should call me Chef J. Cause like, I nail it. So in case you want to see more cooking videos and all of that, so please like subscribe to my channel, because this is not going to be the last time you're gonna see me cooking. Definitely, because it's a passion. I love cooking because I love eating, and when you love eating, you like to cook. But yes, this is the end of the video because I just finished eating and I'm very tired and I need to go and rest my back and sleep. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a like, share it, comment, tell me ideas you want to see on my video, on my channel. Yeah, basically that's all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.